In today's video, I'll teach you how to recover Gmail account without phone number and recovery email. So if you want to recover your account but you do not have the phone number and recovery email associated with your Gmail account, first of all what you have to do is disable the location of Google. For that, launch open app library on your device, find the application for Google and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the app info interface of Google. What you have to do is find the option for permissions and tap on it. Now you'll be able to see the bunch of permissions that you've allowed over here. Find the permission for location and tap on it. Now tap on this option don't allow that you can see on the screen. Tap on the option don't allow anyway. Now after you disable the permission, what you have to do is download the UC browser on your device. For that, launch open Play Store on your device. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the search bar that you can see at top. Now what you have to do is search for UC browser. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for UC browser and tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, if you find the option for install, tap on it. Wait for a while and your application will be installed. Now what you have to do is make the UC browser default browser on your device. For that, what you have to do is launch open settings on your device. You can see over here settings has been opened. You'll be able to find various options over here. What you have to do is tap on this option apps. Now find the option for Chrome and tap on it. Now you'll be led to the app info interface of Chrome. Now what you have to do is scroll down and find this option for browser app. Tap on it. Now over here you'll be able to find the option for UC browser. Simply tap on it. Now once you do that, your default browser will be UC browser. Now go back. Now in the settings interface, what you have to do is find the option for Google. Once you do that, tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the Google Services interface. At top, you'll be able to find the three dots, tap on it. Now tap on this option help that you can see at second. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the help interface. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for search help. Tap on it. Now search for lost. Now you'll be able to find the results over here. Now right over here, you'll be able to find this option, fix common issues with two-step verification. Tap on it. Now you can see over here, the help article will be opened up. Now right over here, you'll be able to find the option for recover your account. Tap on it. Now once you do that, right over here, you'll be able to find the option for recover your account. Simply tap on it. Now you'll land on this page. Over here, you'll be able to find this option, follow the steps to recover your account. Tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the account recovery interface in UC browser. Over here, what you have to do is simply enter your email or phone number. Tap on the field of email. Now provide the email or phone number associated with your account. After you do that, tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your account recovery has been successful. You can continue to use the account. You can also update the password. Tap on this option update password that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, what you can do is simply create a strong password for yourself. Create a password for yourself. Enter the password. Your password must have at least 8 characters. Now confirm the password. Once you do that, tap on this option save password that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to see the devices that you'll be signed in. Tap on this option change password. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be signed in to your account without the recovery email or phone number. So like this, you'll be able to recover the Gmail password. So that is how you recover Gmail password without phone number and recovery email. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.